I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an easy crypto wallet. First, select a trusted wallet application from an official source. Download and install it on your preferred device, whether it's your phone or computer. Next, you'll create your account. It's crucial to set a very strong, unique password to protect your digital assets. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto world. After setting up your wallet, the next critical step is securing your funds. You will receive a recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words. Write this down and store it in a safe, offline place like a fireproof safe. Never share it. Also, enable two-factor authentication if your wallet offers it. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's cover sending and receiving cryptocurrency. To receive funds, simply find your unique wallet address within the app and share it with the sender. When sending crypto, use the send function. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount. It's vital to double-check the address carefully before confirming any transaction, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Finally, managing your crypto portfolio is straightforward. Your wallet will display your current balances and transaction history. Be aware of transaction fees, which can fluctuate based on network congestion. Always keep your wallet software updated for the best security and features. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying informed and secure is key to a positive crypto experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.